Now that it's installed, let's take a look at the help page. You'll see the blueprint subcommand with the alias BP, which I'll be using. This is the primary subcommand that we'll want, as it's how we interact with blueprints. So let's take a look at the blueprint help page. Here we have a collection of commands that we'll be running throughout this example. The first one is create. That's exactly what we want to do, as we want to create a new blueprint. The create command has a few options. First, we see name. This is required as it's the name of the blueprint that will be generated. Repo allows you to select a repository to act as the template. Since this defaults to our blueprint template, we don't have to worry about this for now. Branch and tag allow you to select a branch or tag on that repository if it's specified. Path is similar to repo, but it is a local path rather than a repository link. We don't need to specify Tangle either, since that's the default. So for now, we'll run cargo tangle blueprint create and then specify the name. I'll choose tutorial. When you run the create command, you'll be prompted for some information. First, your GitHub username or organization. I'll put Tangle. Next, a short description. This is a tutorial. Finally, your project homepage, for which I'll put tangle.tools. Next, you'll be prompted for some configuration options. If you're unsure about any of these, your safest option is to select the default. That's what we'll do here. So we won't use Nix. We'll generate a Docker file. We'll use nightly Rust. And we'll generate all of the workflows that it offers. And now, your blueprint's been created. So you can navigate into the directory, and we're ready to continue. For this demo, we won't be customizing our blueprint at all, since the blueprint generated from the create command is ready to be tested as is. We can verify this by running cargo test. Here we see that both automatically generated tests passed as expected.